Welcome to livetutelage.com, best e-learning portal for IIT JEE, NEET and Foundation.
According to the charge sheet, computers at the NEET examination centers managed by Prometric were compromised. In some cases, selected computers were installed with a remote screen sharing software, that is ME, to have remote access of the computers and select the correct answers for the students. Stay tuned.
If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get instant updates. Thank you.
The crime branch of the Delhi police has filed a charge sheet in the court of Metropolitan Magistrate Satish Kumar Arora here against officials of Prometric Testing Private Limited, hired by the National Board of Examination (NBE) to conduct the National Eligibility cum Entrance Test (NEET) in November 2016 for admissions to postgraduate medical courses. Nearly 1 lakh students appeared for the postgraduate entrance examination, competing for 35,117 postgraduate seats across the country. According to the charge sheet, computers at the examination centers managed by Prometric were compromised. In some cases, select computers were installed with a remote screen sharing software ME, allowing solvers outside to select the correct answers for the students. In another instance, site supervisors, engineers, and officials deployed by Prometric tampered with the security system and ensured that select candidates got access to the internet by connecting remotely to another computer outside the examination hall, the police said. The crime branch is investigating officials of Prometric and the National Board of Examinations (NBE). The charge sheet states that the involvement of officials at the National Board of Examinations and Prometric cannot be ruled out. Sources in the crime branch said a list of 500 students has been prepared in a supplementary charge sheet. Investigations revealed that the NBE contracted Prometric, which then subcontracted the conducting of the test to yet another company, CMS IT Services Private Limited, for engineering and support staff. CMS IT Services further contracted out the hiring of local vendors for staff at various examination centers. In this way, the selection of suitable staff for the exam seems to be compromised and the security and sincerity of the exam was breached, the charge sheet says. According to the charge sheet, the aspirants paid between Rs 2.5 to 3 lakh to access the internet during the exam. In one center in Chandigarh, the site supervisors, one Ankur Mishra, named in the charge sheet and hired by CMS IT Services, left slips with answers for select candidates. The NBE is also under investigation for hiring Prometric, an American company, without inviting tenders from other companies. The crime branch says Prometric's staff reformatted the computers and destroyed evidence after the exam. Dr. Anand Rai, whistleblowers in the Madhya Pradesh medical entrance examination, better known as Vyapam scam, and a complainant in the present case said the NBE handed over the contract to Prometric without inviting tenders. Prometric has admitted to formatting evidence on the computers after the NEET exam, which should have been maintained for a minimum of 5 years. This is a gross violation of the Indian Evidence Act. Soumitra Roy, country managers, Prometric India, said the company was not aware of any such development, adding, "We proactively continue to support the authorities in their investigation." Thank you.
If you like this video, please click the like button. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment below. For more updates on IIT JEE or NEET exams, please subscribe to our channel to get a lot of updates. Support us by following us on Facebook and Twitter. To sharpen your skills, please try out our test series on livetutelage.com. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.